Mallard. This large, common marshland duck has a blue wing patch margined by two white bars. These marks identify it in any plumage. The green head and white neck ring are good field marks of the male. Mallards take off in a vertical leap and fly fast. They feed, like all surface ducks, by tipping in shallow water. Mallards have been domesticated and have crossed with other ducks. Length 19 1/4 to 28 inches. Female smaller than male, mottled brown and buff.